Hello guys, this is Liz. I'm back with another video of Eating Clean Challenge. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what's for dinner. So if you're ready to see what I'm going to be preparing for dinner, just keep on watching. Okay, the items that I'm going to be using are 4 zucchini squash right here. You can use more, but I only bought 4. So also I have some pepper and onion blend. I'm going to saute that inside the pan. I've got my large bowl to put my vegetables in. And then for seasonings, I will be using cayenne pepper. I have some ground turmeric, and turmeric is very, very healthy, you guys. It has a lot of healthy properties to it. You may want to Google turmeric and you find out more information about how turmeric is very healthy for you. Also, some ground thyme, which is good. Some onion powder, garlic powder, which I love, it's one of my favorites. I have some basil leaves. I have some Italian seasoning and some oregano. Now you may think, okay, well what about salt? Well, I don't really add table salt to my food. Himalayan salt, which is very healthy. It's much healthier than the regular table salt, or you can use sea salt. So I'll just probably sprinkle a little bit of this in there. I usually try to go as bland but tasty as possible, not too much of anything pertaining any salt. Now, so I'm about to cut the vegetables up and put them in this bowl here, and then I'll show you guys what's next. Okay, I'm heating up my pan and I'm going to add just a little bit of avocado oil, or you can use extra virgin olive oil, but I like this one a little bit better, so I'm just going to add just a little bit. And then I'm going to add about a cup of water. Turmeric that I'm putting in first. It doesn't really matter which one you put in first. I'm just, just grabbing whatever I can. Here is the garlic powder. Now I love to put a lot of garlic powder in my food. So it's so good for you and it's so healthy. Here's the basil. A little bit of onion powder. I would like to put a lot more, but we're getting low on it because I keep adding it to everything I eat. So I think it's about time to go back to the store and pick up another bottle, wouldn't you think? And here's the Italian, a little bit of Italian. Some ginger. Ginger is very good for you as well. A little bit of oregano, a little bit of thyme. You don't need much of that. A little bit of the Himalayan salt. And last but not least, some hot cayenne pepper. Peppers before my everything gets too soft. We don't want to have mushy vegetables, do we? So we go ahead and add this now. And now I'm going to turn the heat down to low so that this can simmer nice and slow, so it won't cook too fast. Also, I have some small red beans cooking that I have in here. That's also going to be what I'm going to add with my dinner. So, because this is the protein that I eat pretty much every day. I don't eat meat like I told you guys before, but this is my first and main source of protein. So I'm just gonna wait for that to get done, and I'll put everything together. Okay, as you can see, dinner is done. This looks so good, and I am ready to dive in. So I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning back in and watching, and I would like to thank all the hostesses, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys and talk to you later. Bye bye.